7:30 in the morning, and I think my husband will not go to work today because it's snowstorm again, and they said the weather forecast said it will start last night around 2, but when I wake up around 4, it was just raining. But then when I wake up this morning, it's already started to snow, and Babu wants to go to work, supposed to go to work today, but I don't think I want him to drive like this weather. It's very dangerous. So I managed to convince him to stay at home and work. See that? Just started to snow. It's not even thick yet, but this snow will last until, the forecast said it will last until tomorrow early morning. And this is our front yard, guys. And I see some birds there under the tree. I feel bad for the birds. They have nothing to eat, and it's very cold. You see those black dots over there under the tree? Let's see that one. Ganon. Over there, like few birds there, and they don't have food, and they still go there even if it's too cold. How many of them? There's so many of them. Trying to find food in the snow. Poor bird. Baby's still sleeping, and Babu also still sleeping. I thought it was worse because the news was like 20 inches of snow, localized 20 inches of snow, but seems like it's not. It's even a mixture of snow and rain, so it's wet. You see the window? It is wet. It's not snowy. So today Babu will work at home. Babu will work at home. Hi guys, my husband already wake up, and you see him? Rare. I'm going to cook breakfast for him because this is a rare moment where he eat breakfast at home. Need to make it special. Right, Babu? I'm going to make a grilled cheese sandwich, my version. I'm looking at the wrong camera. I thought that was the camera, but it actually, I'm making a grilled cheese sandwich, my version, homemade. Oh, guys, yesterday I went to the Sarah's school, daycare school, a few months ago when she went there, and the teacher gave me some of her arts, and she already ripped off last night. I didn't really see. So this is her first one. I don't know what is this. The second one is oh, they do art in Hanukkah time. That means last December. Her fingerprints, I think. And then they do this one. This, what an art. And this one, she tear it too. Oh, this is supposed to be a latke. Oh, latke. This one is a latke. It's like fried potato, shredded potato. And the last art that I will show to you will be this one. Show you. Here, she have a art here. You see that? She already discovered how to draw in the walls, but yesterday I already saw it. Like, she have some drawings here, but then I clean it up. And then when I wake up this morning, I saw this one again. That means she again draw it here. I didn't even see she draw it. And she finally discovered how to draw in the wall. But the funny thing is there's a lot of walls here, but she only likes to write it here. Okay, I will have breakfast with my babu. Let's make a snow check, guys. It's already almost 10 in the morning, and it's the snow is already thick. It's not it's like a fluffy snow, but it's not very strong, but it's like continuously never stop. So like that. That's at the back of our house already. Very white already. And the snowman is like half of the snowman already. Let's go check in the front. There you are, the baby Sarah. You see, this dress before is like until her knees. Now it's just in the butt. Let's check the snow at the front. Let's see. Wow, it's already thick. They said the snow will last until tomorrow morning, 5 a.m. So if it's like this, should be very thick tomorrow morning, huh? Should be nice to see. I'm so selfish. Everyone is complaining because it's difficult, but then I'm very happy to see the snow like that. You see on the tree, guys, the birds are still there. I'll show you. See that birds all? And on the poor first job every day, opening up everything and playing everything that is not toy. Sometimes she go into the green tub for the laundry, and she go inside and she just drop herself to the floor. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Say good morning.
Mommy.
Okay. Say good morning, guys. Say good morning, guys. Give them a flying kiss. Flying kiss.
Nose.
Nose. What else? Where's your teeth? Nose. Let's check the situation, guys. It's still snowing so much, and it's already still have the bird there. Only two left. And oh my god, I don't want to go out. Normally I like to go outside when it's snowstorm, but I feel so cold. Maybe later I pretend I will throw away garbage. Wow. Again. Wow. You never know, dear. The sun shining so bright. Hi guys. I can't stop myself. I want to go out to play in the snow. And I pretend I want to clean up the car. You see, guys, the snowstorm again. And it's still snowing until now. And you see the difference from last time. Today, this is very dry snow. It's very cold. And see, everything is dry. It's kind of it's not very heavy, but it's a fluffy snow, but it's a long time, so you see this car, in our car over here. I'm bringing a shovel to clean up our car. Let's see if I can do it. If not, then I go home. Hi. Now we try to shovel. We try to shovel the back of the car, and let's see if I can do it. Just until I can do it. Whew. Hi guys, I'm done. I didn't shovel the side of the car. I let Babu do it. I cannot do it anymore. Too much. You see my cheeks are coming red. Here is our snow place. Somebody's cleaning. Actually, it's still not finished, the snow. It's like until tonight at 1 o'clock, I think, still snowing. So we need to clean it up again tomorrow morning before Babu go to work.
And Sarah is here. We are out in the snow. I'm going to close it right away. Guys!
Huh?
It's just outside.
Oh,
Sarah!
we're going to the battery.
Sarah! Sarah!
The good thing she can't go to.
Ah! Yeah. Oh, you speak too soon. Sarah! Hi! Sarah! Dang.
Put her lying.
Why?
Sarah! Sarah! Hi! She just sit down there, Babu.